wanna be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, because why not? Like, you're already looking at this video, you already watching this video, you might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notifications on so you can be notified when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. Okay? As y'all can see, my hair is different. Yes, this is my hair. Okay, so in today's video, this video is going to be different. It's going to be an embroider with me, and I don't know if y'all know, but I got a new embroidery machine last year, probably like December, and I've been practicing on how to embroider, how to use the software, how to set up the fabric and everything, the threads, everything. So I just want to show y'all, I just wanted to bring y'all along with me and watch me embroider something. So yeah. So before I put the design into the software, I usually just draw it out on Autodesk Sketchbook. And let me go into the front. Okay, here are the designs that I be drawing. I haven't embroidered most of this stuff, but so yeah, after I draw it, all I do is go to the software. Okay, so after I draw it in Autodesk Sketchbook, all I do is add the design to the software and basically make my picture into threads. So here's the picture, and you have to make the picture into threads to sew out or embroider. And you can add letters, you can add literally anything. And I'm using Stitch Artist 1 from Brilliance. And here are other designs that I have did. Billie Eilish, a family picture of me and my brother and my dad. Lisa, Bart swimming for money, Playboy Cardi, a ski mask people, y'all can see. And you can add the colors in here, you can add any design you want basically, or trace any design you want. Number 3 and number 5 from Codename Kids Next Door, and then my dad logo. So after you turn whatever you want into threads, it's time to sew it out. So this is the design I'm going to be sewing out. This is my little setup of how when I be embroidering stuff. I use this because this is my bed, not very hard, so I use this so it can be hard. Here's all the thread. I'll be using the hoop, basting spray, stabilizer, and water soluble stabilizer. Also a snack, you know, you put y'all on. This stuff's so good. But I'm going to be embroidering the design on this crew neck. So basically all I do is see where I want the design to be using this little thing. The design stays in between this square, these grids. So the rule of thumb, the design is supposed to start 4 fingers, at least 4 fingers under the collar. Inside, outside. Hoop. Pick the colors. Okay, so once everything is in there, hoop ready, the thread is done, everything's done, I go to the design and I just choose the design. The design is split in 2 different designs because I'm using a bigger hoop, and it's only gonna take 7 minutes. It's the shortest that it has ever took. Other ones will be taking 50 minutes, 60 minutes.
Look at the video, make sure it's like.
And now, okay, wow, the machine is still going. Almost done. I want to show y'all the designs that I made when I first started. When I first got the embroidery machine, like December. This was the first design. Messed up. And these are the ones I'm going to sell that I didn't mess up. This is strategic. I made it like this on purpose because, you know, Playboy Cardi, his vibes. I don't know, his vibe reminds me of this. Like, I don't know. But this is the one that didn't mess up. This didn't mess up. And this one. This is the best. This one my brother says his favorite one. It is fire though. It's fire. You see I embroidered on the blue felt first to make it like water. That one's fire. And that's all the other ones. Okay, so it's done. It's off the machine. Final result. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Here's the final result. Like, look at it. It's so cute. And after it's dry and everything, all I do is iron it so it can be flat. It be already flat, but I just iron it because I feel like it like sets in the thread or whatever. And yeah, that's all I do after. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next one, and see you in my next one. Bye.